Hey everybody, welcome to It's a Love Thing, guys. So we are finally on our way home. We've been gone for 2 days. And Ohio got all of this snow.
Man, there was a winter storm warning that started yesterday. And the time kept pushing back. Originally it was supposed to be done, but it was supposed to be over with this morning, but it kept pushing back. So yeah, you guys be stuck in it. I was trying to wait it out, but oh well, just take your time.
Oh well. But did you notice the kids didn't go to school?
Yeah, they got the kids out. They was announcing school closings last night about 9 o'clock.
But now do you think Chicago schools would have I mean, it's a lot of snow out here, but closing schools.
Worse than this.
Our kids would have been slipping and sliding to school.
Oh yeah. Come on, what time I'll excuse you if you're late. What time you coming in?
But I want to ask you this question. Okay, now you know Chicago Buffalo Wild Wings, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we've tasted Ohio Buffalo Wild Wings. Which one tastes better?
Ohio, it was something.
What is wrong? What is up with their food? Their food, I've noticed it's so much flavor.
There was a difference. People may figure. I've experienced that with Hooters though before. There's something about the Hooters wings in Las Vegas that's different.
I know.
Same sauce.
I've experienced that as well. You took me.
Just had more flavor, but yeah, same with Buffalo Wild Wings. Ordered the same sauce, same way. Just had more flavor. I don't know. Maybe they prepare it different.
That could be it, or they follow directions.
You trying to say we don't know how to follow?
I'm just saying, it's totally different. But guys, we're on this highway, and I'm getting ready to go to sleep while Pops drive. I had so much fun in Ohio. Bye, Ohio. We'll be back. When are we coming back?
Probably about March.
We can't come back next week, Key.
She got me choking.
Anyway, you have what?
I have free will.
You have free will. But anyway, we had so much fun in Ohio. I can't wait till we come back. And we're going to get on this highway so we can get home in what, about 4 or 5 hours?
Yeah, 5 hours.
5 hours.
We'll get an hour back.
That's cool.
Time.
See you guys next time. Bye. Say bye, Pookie.
Bye, Pookie.